Inside Tesla offers an exclusive look inside one of the world's best-selling electric vehicle makers. Upon entering the exhibit, you'll see a royal blue Tesla Model Y. It was disassembled to show you the parts and components that are located within the EV. Remember that electric vehicles traditionally have less parts than internal combustion engine vehicles do. The temporary exhibit traces the company's history from a startup to the EV juggernaut that it is today. Next, you'll notice a 2009 Tesla Model S prototype. It was the second vehicle offered for sale by the EV maker after the Roadster. It featured a range of up to 300 miles. The original MSRP for the 2009 Tesla Model S was $57,400 before any state or federal incentives. Later in the exhibit, you'll learn more about founder and CEO Elon Musk, from his childhood roots to the present day. There's even information about some of the other companies he started, including PayPal and SpaceX. There's also a yellow car called the T0, which inspired Elon Musk to make Tesla EVs. The electric convertible was produced by a company called AC Propulsion. Without it, there might not be a Tesla today. You'll also get to see some of the electric motors called drive units that deliver electric power straight to the wheels. Tesla EVs typically accelerate much faster than traditional ICE cars and trucks. How do you power all of these EVs? Well, there's a section about charging electric vehicles, including Tesla solar panels and their supercharger stations. Here's a row of Tesla electric cars. Some of the vehicles displayed include the 2019 Tesla Cybertruck prototype, a 2017 Tesla Roadster 2.0, a 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid, and many other Tesla EVs. Included in the exhibit is a rare opportunity to see the all-new Tesla Cybertruck prototype. Tesla plans to start delivering Cybertrucks in the third quarter of 2023. It's definitely a unique design when compared to some of the other trucks on the road today. This 2019 Cybertruck prototype has a range of up to 500 miles. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. In addition, a Tesla semi-truck prototype is also featured. You may recall that Tesla recently delivered about a dozen electric semis to Pepsi and Frito-Lay. The semi-prototype is located in the parking garage on the first level near the main entrance to the museum. Inside Tesla is a wonderful exhibit to learn about Tesla's past and where they are going in the future. It will remain on display at the Petersen Automotive Museum through October 22, 2023. Reporting from Los Angeles, I'm Jason Rzucidlo for AmericaJR.com.